Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can create an online banking account of Lloyds. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instructions as guided. So first thing, you need to open up your web browser, and then on the search box you need to type in the link that is www.lloydsbank.com/currentaccount.html. You can also find this link on my description box below. And once you type in the link, you'll be directed to the official site. And on this page, in order to create or sign up, you'll need to tap on login in the top right. As you tap on login, there's a drop down menu, and what you need to do is you need to click on register in the bottom left corner of your screen. And as you click on register, next interface will be directed to the page where you need to provide the information. You can see right over here you have the information regarding the bank. You can go through it, and in the left hand side corner you have the form in order to register into online banking account of Lloyds. So first of all, you need to provide title, and after that you need to provide the first name and the last name associated to your state ID, and after that you need to provide a date of birth and then a postcode. In case if you do not reside in UK, then you can simply tap on I don't live in UK, and then you'll have some alternative. And in case if you have more than one account, then you can use the account information right over here. And after you provide all of these information, tap on continue in the bottom right corner. And after that, on the other interface, you need to provide your contact information. And once you provide your contact information, next interface you need to confirm it. So a verification code or a link will be sent through an SMS or an email, and after that you have successfully verified your account. And after that, you'll need to provide more information, and once you provide all of the information as asked, you have successfully created an account on online banking account of Lloyds. So that is how you can create an account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.